Hello everyone! Today we learn how to choose between savoir and connaître in French. Every one of my students has made this mistake at least once, saying oui, je sais ce film. I will give you a magical trick to know when to use savoir and when to use connaître. Both translate as to know in English, but they're used in very different contexts. And stay until the end, we'll have a quiz to test what you've just learned. So, the trick will be split into two tips, one for each verb. Let me start with the first one, which will help you to know when to use the verb savoir. Here it is. Savoir is always followed by verb in the infinitive form or by a conjunction. That's it. That's the first tip. For example, je sais parler français. In this first sentence, you recognize a verb in the infinitive form. It's the verb parler. So you're going to use the verb savoir, je sais. Je sais parler français. Je sais nager. It's exactly the same thing. You recognize the verb nager in the infinitive form, so you're going to use je sais, the verb savoir. Je sais que Paris est la capitale de la France. Here you see there is a conjunction que, so you're going to use je sais, the verb savoir. C'est facile, non? Now, second tip which will help you to know when to use the verb connaître. Connaître is always followed by an article and noun or just by a noun. For instance, je connais le président de la France. Le président, this is an article and a noun, so you're going to use je connais, the verb connaître. Je connais un bon restaurant ici. Un bon restaurant, there is an article, un, and there is a noun, restaurant. So, once again, you're going to use the verb connaître, je connais. Je connais Marie depuis l'école primaire. Here, Marie, it's a noun, it's a name actually, so you're going to use the verb connaître, je connais. Okay, now you know when to use savoir and when to use connaître. So we'll do a quick quiz, a test of 5 questions. For each question, we'll have 2 options and you will need to choose the correct sentence. Question number 1. Je sais jouer du piano. Je connais jouer du piano. The correct answer is je sais jouer du piano. Savoir is always followed by a verb in the infinitive form, so je sais jouer du piano. Question number 2. Elle sait bien Paris. Elle connaît bien Paris. Correct answer is elle connaît bien Paris. Connaître is always followed by a noun or an article and a noun, and here in this sentence it's Paris. Question number 3. Nous savons ce tableau. Nous connaissons ce tableau. The correct answer is nous connaissons ce tableau. Why? Because once again, the verb connaître is always followed by a noun or by an article and a noun, and here is ce tableau. Question number 4. Je sais où il habite. Je connais où il habite. The correct answer is je sais où il habite. Actually, savoir can be followed by a conjunction. Here, it's the conjunction où. Question number 5. Ils connaissent les règles du jeu. Ils savent les règles du jeu. The correct answer is ils connaissent bien les règles du jeu. Once again, the verb connaître is followed by a noun or by an article and a noun. And here it's les règles. So, what's your score? Write it in the comments. You must know that if you want to improve your French speaking skills, you also need to understand it well. And I've made a video that will help you progress in this area with interactive stories. I'll put the video link right here. Just click on it.